Okay, now that you're in here and you got this cover off, there's a few things you should be checking. Sorry about that. A few things you should be checking to make sure they are in good condition before you get any farther. Because for a lot of people, they may have never had this cover off, or it's been a long time. You just have a lot of hard miles on this thing, okay? So one of the first things is that tensioner slipper, okay? Here it is here on this one. Now, I just replaced mine because it was heavily worn, okay? The chain had made grooves in there, heavy grooves. And I was there, and it was like $12, so why not, okay? Again, now I can get a nice even tension on my tensioner, on my chain. I replaced the clutch plates, the metal plates, and the springs. There's two springs in there. And it's advised while you're here, you should pop this off. You need a special puller. I made one. It's hiding over there. Not a big deal. It's just a piece of angle iron runs from here to here with a screw in the middle. Compress this down, release the nuts, pull the plate off. There's a large ring right here. You pry it out. You find the end of it. You pry it out. That holds that plate in. And you've undone all the nuts so you can separate all the clutch plates and make sure that these pins are all solid. Make sure this bearing is smooth. Spin it in your finger. Shouldn't feel ka-ka-ka-ka-ka. It should be nice and smooth like that. All right, and then while you're here, just do a quick little look around. Hey, why not? How often do you get this off? Okay. Now this gasket I had just replaced, and as a test, I didn't tighten it down all the way. All right, but if you have a gasket there and it's all torn up, make sure you scrape it all off, get it nice and clean, nice and smooth, especially on the bottom run way down here underneath. This is where it's going to leak. Okay, make sure it's nice and clean. There's no hunks of grit stuck to it. All right, and then we are ready to put that side cover back on. All right, again, I'm going to make sure my little washer is still there. I'm going to make sure my large thrust washer for my starter drive is there. All right, I'm going to reposition the camera and we're going to put that cover on.